even the top three.
Right,
In
the
same meet at the same time on the same track up at Jamaica College.
Yeah, what you just saw there was Talshawn Edwards of Calabar taking the lead in the triple jump for Class 2 boys final. 14.52 meters in round 3, going ahead of the KC pair of Demaria Clark and John Patrick. The sprint medley final for boys. Clarendon College from the inside, Alphonsus Davis, Stets, Port Antonio, the fastest in qualifying, Calabar, Excelsior, Jamaica College, and Edwin Allen.
No Kingston College, they were disqualified in the heats. The baton fell, the outgoing runner picked it up, so they are definitely missing from this one, but it should still be exciting.
Off they go for the Sprint Medley Open Final for boys. Wow. Edwin Allen on the very outside in lane number 8. Calabar going steadily down the back stretch as well. Jamaica College in lane number 7, moving well as they fly through 200 meters. JC, based on the stagger, looking very good here. Calabar reaching up nicely. Port Antonio easing through beautifully as well. Down the home stretch, Jamaica College, Calabar, Stets. Here they come to the first change. It will be Calabar ahead of Edwin Allen, Jamaica College, Stets, Port Antonio in 5th.
Yeah, Calabar changing first and opening the lead. Stets on the inside having a great run. The leaders, Port Antonio, coming into this final down in 4th, and Jamaica College having a brave race, but it's all Calabar at the moment ahead of St. Andrews Technical and Jamaica College.
It's Calabar on this second 200 leg. Jyshawn Ferguson running this leg for them, and he has a comfortable advantage, but Jamaica College surging forward.
Big run from Calabar at this moment, but Jamaica College running strongly, so too Stets. Here comes Port Antonio.
Ferguson handing off now as Calabar have the lead in this sprint medley. Shavani Green, who also ran the anchor leg for Calabar in qualifying, on the anchor leg for them here as well, with St. Elizabeth Technical in second position. Jamaica College with a very experienced Rashid Price. Port Antonio coming through as well.
DeJean Grant there for Port Antonio. Ricardo did a fabulous ankle leg yesterday, has moved Port Antonio from 4th to 2nd. They're right on the heels of Calabar with Stets and Jamaica College chasing.
500 meters left in this race. This is the leg that makes all the difference. Calabar got the lead, but that has been destroyed. There's no more lead. It is now Stets moving to the front.
Yeah, it's been cut significantly.
Anthony Dillon from Port Antonio, he's now moving past Calabar into second.
St. Elizabeth Technical, Port Antonio, Calabar, Jamaica College, the others ranging up as well, including Alphonsus Davis. They are in 5th position. Rashid Price is so experienced. Coming into champs, the Jamaica College number 3. They have decided to send him Medley because they want all of 12 points. Rashid Price for Jamaica College. This is going to be a great finish. Delana Brown is there, the very dangerous Delana Brown for St. Elizabeth Technical. Dillon for Port Antonio. Green for Calabar on the inside. Look at this. 4 across the track. It is going to be St. Elizabeth Technical. Brilliant performance from Stets. Santa Cruz celebrates. Imagine what's happening at the watch party tonight. It's their party in the medley. Delana Brown with a terrific ankle leg. Stets are medley relay champions. Port Antonio ran brilliantly, so too did Calabar. JC will be slightly disappointed.
I have to tell you, Ricardo, with 50 meters to go, you couldn't call that race. 50 meters out, 4 teams all battling. JC still had the advantage. So here, let's say JC, Stets, Calabar, Port Antonio, 180 meters to go. Dylan from Port Antonio makes the first move, and look at this. That's 90 meters to go, 80 meters to go, 70 meters. They're now equal. Stets pulling away at this stage, and at this point, I thought, did JC still have it? But no. Calabar and Port Antonio battling for that silver, and
yeah, Calabar got it
by 4/100th of a second.
Calabar's middle distance unit has been called into question, but they have performed decently here, and this performance a measure of their improvement throughout the course of the season. Here we go. Stets, champions of the Sprint Medley Open for boys, 3 minutes 28.16. Calabar 28.41. Port Antonio, the fastest in qualifying. They get bronze, 3:28.45. Jamaica College, 3:29.96, finishing in 4th position.